What's up, guys? You remember a few days ago on stream, uh, on this day, I said the 19th, I said yin is too slow. It's only 3 ADR. I didn't really want to take this. Yeah, there you go. God damn it, dude. Fucking hell. Oh well. Dude, is this shit gonna run too? Yeah, dude, get fucked. Market fucks you up. Oh my God. I don't. Uh, is this the position I bought? I bought some Neo. It's not really working either. So maybe I should buy TME. Looks fine to me. No, this one is below this level. But Upstart is like my smallest position. The firm looks fine though. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh wait, I have this on. Hello? Sorry guys, I didn't turn this on. My mic. Can you guys hear me? It's probably using my laptop mic. Yeah, I bought Neo today. I just bought TME. Anyway, the day that I said yin was too slow was the day you should have bought yin, which was talking about China on this day. But now it's at the top of the range, so it's just, man, I'm so pissed. Yin is up with like what, 20%? 18%? Yeah. C-Web is up, oh, as soon as I buy it, you gotta be shitting me. Okay, I'm just cutting it. Fucking bitch. I gotta wait. You think? Yeah. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. It hasn't really presented a great setup. It's just, oh, it's gonna run into this kind of resistance. Oh my God. I'm, I don't know how, I'm just not happy about this. Okay, this needs more time. I'm just like, okay, I'll wait a little bit longer before I try to rebuy this. I need a non-Chinese EV name. The EV names, yeah, I don't want to only be in Neo. I don't know. Sounds like a you problem. Like seriously, what on earth was I thinking passing on yin? This is like this is like a very clear setup. You guys remember I was talking about Tencent this day? This is like I said this is like the best flag on a stock that's way too slow, right? Well, yin was the way to play it because it's weighted. FXI is weighted, you know, for market cap, so Fox, what the fuck are you talking about? Dude, this stock trades like this is no. Nope, 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 no. Is this still going? Where did I save it? Oh, this is on 3, that's why. Yeah, I'm rebuying this. Fuck it. 200 moving average, nothing to do with that. Vox is just fucking. I don't know what the fuck you see, dude. Nothing going on. Why are these getting sold off? Jesus Christ. This is not a fucking setup, dude. It gapped up and now it's just I don't know. It's just, okay. Uh, no, but my stream has nothing to do with it. You just gotta study more, dude. That's just random. Whoa. Oh my God. Okay, I'll give this till lows. No, dude, I don't like energy drinks. I haven't had an energy drink probably in years. Aside from vodka Red Bulls. Vodka Red Bulls are less coffee. Dude, why does everyone like Poet so much? I don't get that. I don't like that stock at all. Isn't it pretty fucking thin? This is bio's not good. Oh yeah, Billy's another name. Yeah, this one is it's not the best, but it's okay. What's Baidu doing? This is from lows too, right? Why do people, yeah, it's like, I don't know, man. It's like what trades $1 million volume. I really fucking hate these thin stocks. It's just like I know, what did it trade on this day? Right, it traded $774,000 volume. Billy's better than any of these things. At least you have a thematic trade to it. Am I gonna, oh man, why? Yeah, 'cause like we're just running into big levels here. If I'm not in the money by end of day, I'm just gonna cut these China names. Yeah, I just sold some today. I sold like an eighth of it. Bit. Or an eighth? Yeah, about an eighth of it. No, no, like a little more than. It seems like we're in for some more churn. I'm gonna wait for like these. Uh, yeah, I gotta wait. I gotta wait for end of day for this. I might just cut Upstart. Do I do VWAP? No, just I'm not gonna answer that question. That VWAP reclaim, quote unquote, means different things to so many people, and it's not like, yeah, it's just not a good question. I certainly consider what VWAP is doing. Dude, biotech is, this is so fucked. Why does it act like this? Yeah, you picked a day I'm very tilted to ask me these questions. Ask me again when I'm up on the day, and I'll explain why it's a bad question. Good lord. So all the copper is up because of China? Yeah, probably. Is lithium up because of China too? Yeah, man. I am very, very tilted. They should. I think maybe. I mean, who knows what's gonna happen? But like, yeah, is it gonna retest this range? Is it gonna consolidate up here? I don't know. If I think it's unlikely we just break through here. But who the fuck knows? It's just. If this goes, I don't really care about this anymore. Yeah, this has been the stronger one. It's but like, I don't know. It's hard to buy this. You have to kind of like, right? I tried buying it here, or no, I tried buying it here. Yeah, this day. You just have to buy it at the 10, 20 day. Okay. Yeah, but that stock also has just gone. It's been grinding higher, right? I don't think there's a setup on here. Today's not a setup. Or is there something on the? Yeah, it's not really good though. And also, yeah, it's pretty thin. But yeah, yeah, Oklo is the only thing moving my account right now. I think Tesla is too. Uh, it's not horrible, but it's not like not a really good setup. I don't think it's a good setup, but it's like, yeah, you can call it that. I bought it here. It's kind of like I just saw it going up, and if you play like Darvis boxes, this is kind of where you wanted to buy it. The problem is that it's yeah, this is like this area I have marked here. I used to use like these shaded areas instead of lines. I don't know, maybe it's kind of gonna find some supply up here. But it's not an especially clean setup. And there's no real like catalyst behind this, right? It was just a couple upgrades, but it was strong this whole time when things were really shaking the market. I have to reduce this. Yeah, these are acting better now. Just, I'm feeling a little less tilted now. Alright, let's cut this fucking piece of shit. It did? What is it? Dude, there's a place called Sugarland in Texas. Oh yeah, maybe this has to do with it. Is it on their website? I see. It's the same on the website. Yeah, I mean it's well, whatever it is, it's working. I kind of just ignored the alerts though. I don't know. I'm not this one I'm not really upset about. Thank God. Okay. God damn it, dude. Trading is just fucking endless cope. It's just nonstop pain. Literally endless, yeah, endless fucking cope. I just yeah, like scanners. I mean today obviously you saw the China names gapping up, so and then you just look and you see. But no, I don't use anything else. But like TradingView is pretty slow to update sometimes, so I just if I can't find anything, I'll just you know, you can always go to the company website and see if there's a press release. or scour Twitter. Sometimes you can find something. Like I found uh, about like these names. I didn't know VNTX was a had these antibodies going until I found someone on Twitter. I really hate this upgrade news though. This made it. Yeah, I just. But at least we know that it respects this 119 120 level. Is it still going? Motherfucker. Yeah, I cut it here, obviously. No way I was holding through. It's about like the same quality setup as here. It's like not super good. Yeah, maybe this is really why. Yeah, I don't th if you're wondering if you need to sign up for like Benzinga or any of that shit, the answer is no. What's Lucid doing? It needs a lot more time. Dude, this actually went. It's crazy. It's not like they're acting super well anyway. The EVs have the the tariffs to deal with. Oh my God, all things considered, this is pretty good. But yeah, I don't know about full size or anything. Oh yeah, it's a good point. If no Chinese stocks in general are showing up, then that's why you don't see it. You need I don't remember where it is actually. There's something regarding American depository receipts. No, he's talking about the other ADR, American depository receipt. All foreign stocks on Nasdaq and NYSE trade as ADRs. Yeah, yeah, you're right. But well, the reason I like this is because it's the Tencent music group. So, okay, so like this is the big Tencent is the biggest company in China by market cap, right? It's worth $500 billion. You think Alibaba is number two, or is, well, you know what? I don't know if that's true across all the exchanges. There's three different stock exchanges in China. Anyway, this is a spin-off of Tencent. So China goes in general. This should go, but I don't really like this stock much either, to be honest, because it just kind of grinds too. The last time I had a good trend was in 2022, I think, like here. Yeah, it's not the best. Yin was the best 3 days ago, 3 trading days ago. But you know, it's yeah, I'm not really committed to the position. I have what, 8% of my account in Neo and 7% in TME. So if I'm not up on it by end of day, no, I'm up on TME now. If I'm not up on them at the end of the session though, I might just cut it because like overall China is top of range, right? So what's HSI doing? Yeah, this looks not as good either. But it looks like if China is like really bottoming from this, we should see some more opportunities, right? These indexes look really ugly though. This is one of the world's largest battery providers, if not the largest. So, you know, it's like I don't know, it might be the beginning of a new. I guess this was the best China trade. Fucking shit. Just straight up. Is JD making moves? This is so slow. I'm less tilted now. I can answer I'll answer a stupid question. What the fuck? Geely? Really? Was this tradable in on the OTC market? No, questions don't make me tilt. If you look on the day I was up a lot, I was happily answering all the shitty questions. Visco? Really? Is this one actually liquid? I thought this was insanely illiquid. I remember watching this back in 2022, but it's kind of choppy. I don't really like it. There's another one. It's like Bosch and this is pretty thin though. Yeah, this is like the I tried to trade this way back in like 2022, I think. Volvo, the primary on, yeah, I don't, you're right. I don't, I really hate all this shit. But Is it possible to filter it out for? Like the software should just know what the primary exchange is, right? No, so Poet, I just don't like this shit, dude. Like, look how thin it is, man. See, look on these days. Look how thin it is. Look what it trades on the 10 minute. Like when it's here. 10 minutes it trades $18,000 volume here. This 10-minute period it traded $3,000 in value. Like, are you shitting me? 4,000, $5,000 in volume. Like, I just don't think that these are worth trading, even if you do have a small account. Here in the 30 minutes, it only traded $22,000 volume. Granted, you could wait for this, and then it might be a liquidity event. But what was this? September 19th. Was that on the weekend? No, that was on Thursday, so that was last Thursday, the 19th. And didn't react to that. So like, what the fuck is this? There's no news on this day. Yeah, no, this is just like not my type of trade. I do trade. You got to look at like for shitcoins. I think you need like a really good opportunity. And I said this before. Look at like Serve on day one. If you have the software, fucking look and replay how it trades on intraday intervals on this day, and you'll see what I mean. It's just very different. Whereas Poet is, yeah, it's fucky. There's a lot of examples of stocks that become very liquid. Like BMR on this day was very liquid. Vivos on this day, very, very liquid. Big change in character. CCCC, these 2 days, very liquid. It failed. There's no reason to in my opinion, there's no reason to trade these. Yeah, this is my own indicator. So I have this I have a separate volume indicator because it looks pretty messy, I know, but whatever. Because I wanted this to all be like together, but if I remove this and just have this also show the volume bars, what happens is TradingView has this little weird little quirk where your own volume, your custom volume indicators will leave this gap between the volume bars and the bottom, and it looks really bad. So I have to use their default volume indicator, which is it's classified differently. It's not like their other built-in indicators. The platform is weird like that. So I have both of them on, and this one shows it just shows the number, right? It doesn't actually show the anything. Doesn't display anything on the chart. No, I don't miss being a dev at all, dude. Yeah, yeah. But I was looking. I remember looking into this like when this was probably like a year or two ago, and I found some Reddit posts about the fucking gap. I was like, okay. But what I do have this is kind of neat. You can do this, and you can actually change the currency to display in what you want it to show in, right? So obviously I have it in USD, but you can display it in euros. Well, euros the same as USD, basically. I don't know how they're basically the same. Like right? So for stocks on other exchanges, you can change it to like the when I look at the Hong Kong exchange stocks, it can show it to me in dollars instead of wait, does Hong Kong use the same currency as China? I don't have that currency on there. But like yesterday was $60 million volume, which yeah, it's tradable, but like you could tell in the first 30 minutes, but like okay, the character is also shit, right? Like it does this, but besides that, you could tell it could be tradable, but there was no PR, right? So do you have confidence in that? I don't. I just really hate this stock. This kind of stock. Like it also doesn't have like what there's no real structure to it. Like you know, most things I trade, I want to see clear stages. Yeah, I mean, you should trade what you want to trade, regardless of what I say. Yeah, for Shiko it has to be more special. Wait, how do I get this to go away? I don't want it to have my PyNedger open. Okay, I just open new built-in script and it should be fine. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm watching ARM. Too early to too early to draw something on it yet. I had an alert today, but it's not. Did I get an alert? I did. I guess it's gone because I wrote. Oh, I got yeah, yesterday's highs. But that's not a buy signal. Now I can move this to today's highs. Yeah, it's looking good. This is like a pretty, I've talked about this a lot, obviously, but if you guys should know this too. If you study IPOs, this is just grinding higher. Hmm. They'll probably both go together, but I don't want to buy Nvidia. The problem is using orders in TradingView is super slow still. Rather than fixing like the rendering speed issues, this is what they do. How do I set the sound? Yeah, loosely speaking, their themes. I used to like make categories and list them all out, but it was too slow to drag things around. But I'll have like the same color for different themes, but loose groupings. Because at this point, I just know what every stock is, right? You should too. Is there a... No, there's no enough. Someone asked oh yeah, entry and stop loss on Redfin. So whoever asked that, you should go. I talk about this a lot. I don't use hard stops, and I buy over the course of. I started buying Redfin. Well, I bought Redfin here, and then obviously I got stopped out, and then I started buying it around like he chased it. Bought more here, bought more. I believe. Or did I buy more here? One of these days, I had it. I bought 3 times basically. No, I don't use your standard load day shit all the time. Obviously, load day is important. It's not always a reason to cut. I think you'll find if you study how some of the best winners moved the last year or so, you'll find that there's different ways to buy them. Jesus Christ. Yeah, these biotechs just do this. Volume just dies. Ugh. Yeah, no, maybe. Just have it like this for now. Yeah, it's got a great chart. Should I demote these? Dude, this is still going? Crazy. Oh wow. Maybe maybe we just do break through this level. I would be surprised. This is pretty slow, but this is a nice base. This is too thin, but I really like this weekly and monthly. Yeah, TME is going. I'll wait. I'll wait. Yeah, I mean it's not bad. If you really want to be in this, you can buy it off of this. I'm not gonna buy it though. I think I'll wait for generally I don't like to use anything below 10 minute. And 10 minute I try and I tend to gravitate toward longer and longer time frames. As I used to use the 5 minute a lot. But when you're trading some shitco, you have to use like 5 minute or sometimes even like 1 or 2 minute charts. But I think that most of the time you can ignore. I'll use serve as an example again, just because it's such a good one. Maybe you could have just used the 10 minute. I don't. What? Come on, did I not? Oh, I did 9 minute. No, that's silly. Let's do five. Yeah, five worked. 1 minute. Is there anything else we see on the one that we don't see on the five though? Dude, what? They don't give me 1 minute? Okay, well, fuck you. Sometimes, plenty of good traders use the 1 minute. I just don't like it. Like day traders, I mean. But yeah, 30 minute, 1 hour, daily, weekly, my favorites. Because you can see like you just don't get caught up in all the noise. Like regardless of algo, no algo, it's just easier to not get shaken out, I feel like. You have like clear moving averages on these ranges too. I'm gonna buy gap down on yin. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, certainly for day trading, the 1 minute, 5 minute are useful. Because there's some things that you're not going to see necessarily on higher time, on like, 15, 20, 30 minute, like bear traps, right? You can learn today setups. Those sometimes you'll see like a failed breakout on the 1 minute and then, a big sell off on the 1 minute and then it stops going down and just consolidates, goes sideways in the 1 minute and grinds back higher. Oh yeah, or actually, it's a good example would probably be I would think I was trading on the 5 minute this day, June 5th. Yeah, I was trading on the 5 minute this day because this is easy to see now, right? So you have this is the I'm gonna stream news here. Gets gap down, sold off. I think I tried it here and then, yeah, it got stopped out. Then you buy it on the high break here, right? Then you can see everyone trying to buy here. Everyone gets stopped out here, but it finds bids and right reclaims here, and then sets up again here, sets up again here. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's a biotech EP. It can work. It's just with biotech EPs, like this is very thin right before. So let's see. In 10 minutes, it traded like $5 million volume. It's not bad. Pre-market didn't really have much volume, but as soon as it got open, that's good volume. Yeah, it's not horrible. It's not it's not something that I think I would trade, but it's, generally that's just because I'm kind of adverse to thin things, especially biotechs. Like you'll see a lot of biotechs get volume on one day and then just fall off, right? And also, I don't really like news like this. It's hard for me to gauge how much confidence I have in it. And the chart isn't really that good, but because yeah, the chart kind of sucks. I guess it trended here, but it's not like it's not impossible. What the fuck? No, bankruptcy play. Yeah, but the chart still sucks. But it's character change maybe. Ooh, try it out though. Who knows? But generally for biotech, I want to see like I have more confidence trading it when there's like a. That's why I'm waiting for these oncology names with PD-1 antibody shit. Fucking shit, man. There's another real estate shitco, and it's Chinese. Okay, but that's what I mean. Cancer research isn't really a theme, because cancer is so common. But like specific cancer drugs and whatnot can be. And weight loss has like different components. Nash versus Ozempic, right? It's just yeah, it's just I don't really I don't think I have a clear edge there. That's all I'm saying. And as far as I can tell, there's nothing special going on intraday with like how it's behaving. It's not super like right like your float is pretty large. It's only got 6 million shares traded. Nothing super special. And here's a time where you might actually be able to see on the 1 minute if something interesting is happening. You know what? It's not bad, but it's not. Okay. Oh no. I don't want to buy this, do I? No, I don't. Tempted though. Okay. Anything else going on? Oh my god, 20%? Oh, bitch ass. Why did I ignore the alerts? Yeah, trading is just cope. It's cope, 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 cope. Really, dude? No, not really. No, I didn't realize I had news. I didn't really. I was paying attention to China mostly. No, it's not bad. It's not bad on the hourly. What is this? What the fuck? It's literally children's clothing store. How's the? Yeah, I got an alert on. I still don't really understand how Roblox makes money. Are kids really still playing Roblox? AOI does a few different things. It does. Yeah, it's not semis. It's optical. I mean, it's in the name, right? Optoelectronics. So they do like laser shit. Just a ton of different things. Just go to the website. So AOI, the same, related to like coherent. They do similar things. Also related to light. Oh, this is actually, I will watch this. These three are should be grouped together. It's not only EV related. They also do some like connectivity stuff. But yeah, EVs use it like here. I'll go back and show you the new. Read that. You'll see. How did I learn this? Coherent shows up on my scans, right? I try to figure out why it's going up. I think AOI was mentioned in this article. There was another name going around the same time. Not really the same. It was a metals name. No, it's dead now. But yeah, around here this was a really. Oh, this was thin though. Yeah, like yeah, you should know what the companies do. Know why something is going. I'm gonna have to reduce by end of day if it. Okay, I'm gonna do one more scan through the China names and then probably dip. September's almost over, guys. What the f? No, I can't. You guys haven't earned that. Yo, what the fuck? Come on, man. Why the OTC? Why does it look like this? It's this pretty liquid, actually. It is, yeah. Or for an OTC. Can you just please fix this candle? This is like the Uber of China. It's some misprint or some shit. It's an OTC name. I've seen this happen on OTC names before. Oh yeah, I was gonna look at this might be actually worth watching still, but OTC takes up so much margin. Drawdown? I'm still in a drawdown, dude. It is what it is. Trading is non-stop pain. I chased that news. I just yeah, I took a loss on it. Dude, Redfin, come on, man. Do I have to, I don't want to, I'll give it till end of day to reduce. Seems like the rate sensitive names are not doing too hot. Oh, wait, what is Chewy doing again? Yeah, right back in the range. No ad today. Tesla's gonna run into this level soon. I don't want to be at. I reduced today actually. No, I reduced like 20%, yeah. About 20%. This is not an ad spot, man. It might be in a few days. Who knows? I don't know about best. Depends on what you mean by best. Futu has a really good chart. It's a real base at least. But it has a good chart, yeah. I mean, I obviously took it. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here before I buy in tech. Yeah, later, guys. This is gay.